Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find notification and status bar. So let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the battery percentage. And as you can see, we've got three different options. We can have only the battery indicator. Probably this is the option you've got right now. We can display it inside the battery icon, so the option I had before. And the outside the battery icon, as you can see, it will be next on the left from the battery indicator. Of course, you can choose the option which is the most comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.